Welcome back to Sweet Breeze. So as you can see, God opened up the canopy behind Science Lab Daughter 1 here. Now we got some light everywhere. I've cleaned out some more of the honeysuckle all the way back into there. Some balls. More arrows I found. For tender attack. Look at that. Snapped it right there, as you can see. Grizzly. Look at that energy that probably exploded out of that. The storms came through. But it gives the wild grapevines, they look awesome. Some light. It's a cool little spread. And I got rid of all that honeysuckle over there. Just the corner over there to finish. Alright gang, I got some jogging to do later.